10th standard science unit 7 atoms and molecule. Already we have seen in the last video postulates of atomic theory, atom and atomic mass, relative atomic mass, average atomic mass and calculation of atomic mass. In this video we are going to see molecule and molecular masses, relative molecular mass, calculation of relative molecular difference between atom and molecule, mole concept, molar volume that we are going to see. What are molecules? Hydrogen chloride, sodium chloride, methane are examples of molecule. In methane, the carbon hydrogen held together by covalent bond. Sodium chloride, the molecule is held together by ionic bond. So a molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by a chemical force of attraction, held together by a chemical bond. So the molecule or a compound, the atoms are held together or formed in the combined in a fixed proportion by ratio or by obeying law of definite proportion. So a molecule may be an element or a compound. There are two types of molecule basically, homoatomic molecule, heteroatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecule, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, where the two similar atoms are held together or two similar atoms are present in a molecule called homoatomic molecule. And what are heteroatomic molecule? Heteroatomic molecule is a molecule where two different atoms are present. HCl, CO2, CH4. Example of heteroatomic molecule. Then next the term called atomicity. What is atomicity? Number of atoms in a molecule is called atomicity. Oxygen monatomic, O2 diatomic, O3 triatomic. So number of atoms in a stable molecule is called atomicity. So the molecule may be of monatomic, diatomic and triatomic. And if it is more than 3, that is called polyatomic molecule. Oxygen is diatomic, ozone is triatomic, more than 3 is called polyatomic molecule. H2O, 3 atoms are present, so triatomic molecule. Hydrogen chloride, heterodiatomic molecule. So monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule, heteromonatomic, heterodiatomic, homonuclear molecule and heteronuclear molecule. And what is atomicity? The next what we are going to see is the calculation of molecular mass by using relative scale, by taking them one as a standard, one molecular mass as standard, and comparison with that the molecular mass of the substance is calculated is called relative molecular mass. For the calculation of relative molecular mass, the carbon-12 isotope is taken as a standard. The ratio between the mass of the substance to the mass of a carbon-12 isotope is called relative molecular mass. The mass of the substance by the 1/12th mass of a carbon-12 isotope. As molecular mass calculated in terms of relative method, as in the comparison, its ratio don't possess any charge. But molecular mass expressed in gram is called gram molecular mass. Molecular mass of water is 18 gram, molecular mass is 18 gram. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram, molecular mass of 44 gram. Molecular mass of hydrogen chloride is 36.5 in grams, it is called 36.5 grams. Carbon dioxide, the molecular formula is CO2. The calculation of molecular mass by sum of the atomic mass of the substance. Carbon 12, 2 oxygen, 2 into 16, 32, it is 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Hydrogen chloride, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and chlorine it is 35.5, and adding together the molecular mass of hydrogen chloride is 36.5. Ammonia, NH3. For nitrogen, the atomic mass is 14, 3 hydrogen, 3 into 1, 3. The molecular mass of ammonia is 17. Sulfuric acid, the hydrogen, 2 into 1, 2. Sulfur 1 into 32, 32. 4 oxygen, 4 into 16, 64. The molecular mass is 98. The next one is the 18 water molecule, H2O. The 2 hydrogen, 2 into 1, 2. 1 oxygen, 1 into 16, 16. 18 is the molecular mass of water molecule. So the molecular mass of the substance can also be calculated by the sum of the atomic mass, sum of the atoms of the present in a molecule. So these are all the few examples of calculation of molecular mass. Next one is what is the difference between atom and molecule. An atom is the smallest particle of an element is called atom. A molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound. Atom does not exist in the free state except noble gases. Molecule exists in the free state. Atoms, except some of the noble gases, other atoms are highly reactive, but molecules are less reactive. That is, the atoms combine to form a molecule and possess highly stable and less energy. Atom does not have a chemical bond, but molecules formed by the chemical bond between atoms. The next one is the concept of mole. What is the concept of mole? Gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass are also called as mole. What is 1 mole of ammonia? 17 gram. What is 1 mole of hydrogen chloride? 36.5 gram. So mole can also be explained as the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass of the substance. Atom, ion, molecule present in the 1 mole of a substance is called the mole, defines as a mole, or it explains about mole concept. In definition, it is explained as mole is the amount of substance contain as many elementary entities such as atom, molecules, ions or particle that is exactly equal to the 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. So the number of atom or ion molecule is calculated or given by the calculation Avogadro number, that is n, that is equal to 6.023 10 to the power 23. That can be easily explained by the Avogadro hypothesis. Under STP condition or standard temperature pressure condition, equal volume of all gases containing equal number of molecules. That equal volume for 1 mole of the substance is called the 1 mole of the substance under standard temperature pressure condition containing the Avogadro number of molecule, that is equal to 6.023 10 to the power 23. So mole concept try to explains the number of moles of the molecules, atoms and number of moles of the substance present in 22.4 liter, that is molar volume, and number of ions present in at STP condition. The 1 molar volume will contain how many number of molecules. Mass of atom and mass of molecule. For example, now you take the oxygen molecule, 1 mole of oxygen, that is 16 gram. 16 gram of oxygen at STP condition containing Avogadro number of molecule. And also the for example molecular mass, that is 32 gram oxygen, that 32 gram of oxygen under STP condition containing the Avogadro number of molecule. What is mole of volume? The volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP condition is called mole of volume. The volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP condition is called mole of volume. The volume of mole of volume is 22.4 liters. How to calculate number of molecules or number of moles? The given mass divided by molecular mass will give you the number of moles. N. For example, carbon dioxide 44. For example, carbon dioxide 44 means otherwise 88 gram of carbon dioxide given means divided by 44 will give you the 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Mass divided by atomic mass, given mass divided by atomic mass will give you the number of moles. So mass W, capital M by W, given mass divided by the molecular mass or atomic mass will give you the number of moles. So subscribe for remaining topic will come in the next video. These videos are useful for the academic and also for the talent exam. Subscribe for more videos, share with your friends. Subscribe for our following videos. Thank you so much.